Peter Newton Lartey, a video analyst, sports journalist. Now, we confirm say Kumasi Asante Kotoko are expressing interest in one Bofo defender, player no, your friend Emmanuel ANKRAH. Mama follow Ghana Premier League ni ye Munim Emmanuel ANKRAH. The profile no it's saying which kind of defender and on the screen so no or battling out then. Now, according to Peter Newton Lartey, no, it's a Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Has shown interest ewu no mu say on sign na player unim say Bofo already omoko relegation enti ama ekwan abeda ho kakra pa and a deep truth source men say can say player no enya move na ope na Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach which is coach Ogum ene jene bobo ho pa which is Emmanuel ANKRAH asema making Peter Newton Lartey obi a follow Ghana Premier League no enti all can be say no me doubt no meaning say definitely some move we go through it is going to be one of the best signings for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Well, Emmanuel ANKRAH no on that screen so no or yet center back you can say center back that is a ball between 4 or 5 that is a central defender asem and you can ball between 4 and 5. This is the profile na nkasa na oye defender obi beka say oye ball playing defender ball eba echira or build it from the back to the middle then proceeds to the forward so oye that kind of defender or bonne ball a typical example mo follow English Premier League no your favorite player be John Stones or bonne ball ema I think Manchester City. Sabina Abrantia or that screen is a bonny ball Emmanuel ANKRAH. Yes. Now the good thing is that Bofo relegation no makono. A likely say 2 players from Bofo may join Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the name of Dauda Saka or Noye DM, which is defensive midfielder and central defender. Ye can wasim Emmanuel ANKRAH. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Currently, Oma breaking, almost saying by the time Oma resume now Oma training arsenal. Most of the signings, no, Oma confirming Nina. Then now Oma the Akushi Accra so folk next 2 weeks because they say Kotoko next game, no, 17th of this month. Yes, and now I'm able to give away amount and they see so saying. Until we have barely 10 days for that particular game between Accra Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I sure say by that time, any deals I will be most important ones no on be announced for the club.